Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is Nashville Hot Popcorn. Today we're cooking up a really simple but super flavorful party snack. It's popcorn, which sounds really simple, but it's a lot of fun. This recipe is super simple. It only features a handful of ingredients, but they're super quality ingredients, including this red kerneled popcorn from Rancho Gordo. But today we're gonna be cooking on the side burner of the Napoleon Phantom 500 because that's what we do, we cook outside. Now there are a number of different oils that you can use to pop your popcorn. My personal favorite though is coconut oil. So adding to the coconut oil our popcorn kernels, a quarter cup of oil to 1 cup of popcorn. We're gonna wait until we start to hear these pop. So about 1.5 minutes in now and starting to hear some little pops. We're just gonna keep shaking this and keep moving it so nothing scorches. About 4.5 minutes in now, and I'm just giving this a good shake every about 45 seconds just to make sure everything stays moving. We got some popping activity going on. What we're really waiting for though at this point is just to hear that popping slow down. So just about 8 minutes in now. It's a couple seconds in between pops, so we're gonna pull this off to make sure we don't scorch it. So now we're gonna get started on our butter sauce to really add a lot of flavor to this popcorn. So we're gonna add to the butter a quarter cup of our pit fire hot sauce. Not super spicy, but a nice tangy flavor to it. And then we're gonna add a little bit of Nashville hot chicken wing dust to the mix. This stuff is designed for wings, but is awesome on popcorn. All right, fully melted now, let's go dress up our popcorn. But we just about filled up that entire Dutch oven with this popcorn. Get it into a bowl so we can get it all seasoned up. We've got our Nashville hot butter going on right here. Just gonna pour that all over the top and give it a good toss. This recipe is a little bit messier than most popcorns, but it tastes a lot better too. All right, time for the taste. Oh. That's got a good buttery burn to it right there. Yeah, super messy, but I don't even care. This stuff is hard to stop eating. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.